Oh, goodness. Boys, come on, get it right. This is crazy. That's hilarious. He flew in and didn't realize it was ice. And he keep trying to get out. The things you see when you're paying attention in nature. He's stuck. Every time he get on the thing, when the layer of ice, it cracks. He said, come on, you can do it. What you gonna do? You just gonna stay there? Don't give up, keep trying. Oh, why? Because I'm recording? Every time I pull out the phone to record the beautiful and amazing things I see in nature, y'all get shy. Don't be shy now. Come on. Come on now. Wow. You don't want your most private moment viral? Right. That's what I'm saying. He's like, I don't want my private moment viral now. You giving up? For real?
You got it, buddy. You've opened a bigger spot for yourself.
Yes, don't give up. Keep going. Oh, okay. Oh, you got out the ice. Good job.